It has been a full year since McLaren lifted the curtain on the long-awaited successor to the iconic P1, a car that reshaped the hypercar world back in 2013. The new creation, codenamed W1, represents McLaren's boldest statement yet, a machine built not only to compete with Ferrari's next-generation F80, but also to redefine the standards of hybrid performance and engineering excellence. Until the world sees an independent test or sanctioned track time, all signs point to the W1 being a stunning technology tour de force that can shatter speed and accuracy rules. While its undisputed engineering brilliance, the design of the W1 precipitated incredulous reactions from critics and fans. The P1 shape remains one of the most recognizable shapes in motorcar history, and the fact that it has endured so long is only helping to enhance the legend. The W1 is a more mechanical, angular appearance, which is more functional than it is form. The enormous fixed rear wing, wide rear haunches, and large front air intakes all suggest a car obsessed with aerodynamic stability. Whereas the P1 curves on elegance, the W1 sticks to creases and sharp-pointed angular lines, with a demeanor that's almost fighter jet in ferocity. Every panel, every vent, and every surface had one thing in mind: to make the airflow do the work of pushing performance, not appearance. It lacks perhaps the effortless elegance of the original, but its sinister styling is a vocabulary of power and function that few automobiles communicate. McLaren has already conceded that the W1 is being fettled on some of the toughest racing tracks in the world. The test program for the car extends far beyond Silverstone, with test mules reportedly thrashing around tracks like Spa-Francorchamps, Nürburgring, and Aragon. Every session fine-tunes the handling balance, traction control, and hybrid power delivery of the car. This sophistication is a testament to McLaren's unwillingness to compromise an inch at the pinnacle of the hypercar hierarchy, where milliseconds are all that matter. Underneath its sporting form, the W1 is concealing a new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 combined with an innovative electric motor for the combined output of 1,258 horsepower and 988 pound-feet of torque. Hybrid powertrain is an enormous leap over the P1's single unit, not just in output, but in efficiency. In this guise, the W1 delivers scorching acceleration, 0 to 62 miles per hour in a claimed 2.7 seconds, and to 124 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds. Those are among the quickest ever of a rear-wheel drive hypercar. All of that power, being channeled to only the back wheels, is a testament to McLaren's commitment to purity and driver engagement. While most hypercars are going all-wheel drive in a world where it's available for added traction, McLaren engineers are doubling down on an old-school approach that requires delicacy and feedback. By comparison, Ferrari's upcoming F80 employs a more complex all-wheel drive configuration, which may offer additional grip, but potentially dilutes the raw driving connection that McLaren values. The W1's configuration delivers a rawer and purer experience, with the most skilled drivers being rewarded with a degree of control equaled by very few cars on the road today. In addition to its stunning power, the W1 is filled with a wealth of innovations designed to provide additional all-around performance and driver confidence. McLaren's carbon fiber monocoque chassis design, with its hallmark uninterrupted sloping roof, has been optimized further to enhance stiffness without losing more weight. Real-time reacting advanced active aerodynamics tune downforce and drag to a minimum. Advanced energy recovery and deployment technology is also present in the hybrid system, complete with near-instant torque response and more efficient cruising or regenerative braking mode. The W1 interior will be a controlled blend of minimalism and high-level luxury. McLaren hasn't yet revealed the full interior, but early teasers indicate a cockpit with an unapologetic focus on performance driving. Check for carbon fiber, Alcantara, and precision-cut aluminum pieces everywhere, along with a digital display system that's been computed to provide key information in real time. All of the controls appear to be at the driver's fingertips, the same philosophy as what made the P1 such a driver's masterwork. Production details are confidential, but McLaren initially said customer deliveries begin early in 2026. Production runs will be extremely limited, consistent with McLaren's tradition of exclusivity, and this will ensure the W1 is a collector's car from the day it launches. The approach here from the company is clear. It is attempting to reassert hypercar supremacy by combining the ultimate hybrid technology with the back-to-basics driver's car philosophy. The W1 is not as much a Key 1 replacement as it is a philosophical follow-up to the art of producing performance cars for the electric era. Where the P1 bridged from conventional combustion power to hybrid innovation, the W1 refines that formula with greater power, better efficiency, and even more harmonization between its electric and combustion packages. It's a testament to McLaren's never-ending search for harmony between power and reserve, beauty and ferocity, tradition and innovation. Whether the W1 eventually supplants the legend of the P1 remains to be seen, but this much is true. It redefines the boundaries of the hybrid hypercar by sheer dint of its unstinting power, aerodynamic refinement, and unyielding commitment to rear-wheel drive orthodoxy. The McLaren W1 is a declaration of intent for performance engineering in the 10 years to come. In a hypercar war era, this vehicle will be taking up McLaren's cause, not simply as a tour de force of technology, but as a totem of mechanical nudity reduced to the future.